How to turn on Snapchat best friend poses. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on Snapchat best friend poses. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, you need to have Snapchat Plus. It's not going to work with free Snapchat. For me, that's just how I see it. So it's just not yet available with a free Snapchat. So you have Snapchat Plus, and then what do? The next step, you need to go to your best friends, or you need to tap on your friend and then pin as your best friend. So there you have it. So now you can filter out best friends, and then you go to your friend's profile, and then you will see your Bitmoji together. So that's how you can see it. You don't see it for other people who are not your best friends. So only for the best friend. And these best friend poses will update every day. So that's just how it works. But to enable best friend, you need to have Snapchat Plus, and then best friends have this shared Snapchat process. So that's basically how you can turn on Snapchat best friend poses. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.